Hey guys, Matt Thibeau here with Savant Marketing Agency, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing you these 3 lead generation secrets that are going to make all the difference in your contracting business in 2023. Now, these 3 things that I'm going to talk to you about are something that I've never actually talked about before, and I think that if you understand them, it's going to give you a new perspective in advertising your construction business. It's going to give you a leg up on the competition because your mindset is going to be in the right place, and it's going to help you be able to make better decisions with your advertising. Now, I want to respect your time, so let's jump right into things here. So, tip number 1 that we're going to talk about when it comes to lead generation online, and that most people are not going to talk about, is the fact that timing is everything, okay? Timing is everything when it comes to lead generation. And why do I say this? The reason for this is that most people, especially contractors, when they are doing advertising online, they are trying to get the 3 to 5% of people in their market who are ready to buy right now, right? Like a lot of clients will tell us, hey, we want leads that are super qualified where people are serious, right? We want serious buyers. But what does that actually mean? Well, what that means is people who are literally, they've done the awareness stage, they've done the education stage, right? They know what they want, they know everything, and they're literally looking to buy. They're looking for someone to do the job for them. Let me tell you something. That segment of the market, that is what 95% of contractors are targeting their ad dollars towards. And let me tell you something, if that is your marketing strategy to target the 3 to 5%, and all of these contractors are going over that 3 to 5%, that's who they want to target, guess what? That is going to be incredibly expensive for you to do. And basically, it's what most people are trying to do, right? And so timing in your marketing is everything, because of course, you want to market to the 3 to 5% so you can get that quick win. But this is what most people won't talk about, is doing that 20%. The 20% of people are people who are looking to be educated. They're looking to understand a little bit more about the process or the product. They're looking to buy maybe 1 or 2 months down the road, maybe 3, but they're still in a situation where they're trying to learn more, right? And so if you can shift your mindset and your marketing and your systems to be able to go after the 20% of people who are looking to educate themselves and understand prices and understand the process, and you just have a little bit more follow-up, you're going to be able to close more of that 20%. It's going to drive down the cost of your marketing. And this is what most people don't understand. And so when they get a lead, and they're in this phase, the 20% where they're looking for some education, blah, 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 then they're like, oh, this person's not serious. They're not ready to move forward right now, blah, blah, blah. Well, maybe if you put them in your CRM, you follow up with them, you do that educational step, you make that extra step to be able to educate them, they're going to be in that 3 to 5% range in like 2 to 3 months. And so it's so important to be able to understand this timing, because this is going to drive down the cost of your advertising. Now, the last stage of people, or like class of people in lead generation, is just the rest of people. And so these people don't have awareness that they actually want to get this done. And so they're not in the buying stage and they're not in the education stage. They're literally in the, oh, like maybe that's something that we could do in the future. Like they're in the awareness stage of where they don't even know yet if it's something that they really want to do. And so that is definitely maybe not something you want to target exclusively, because these people are not even aware yet. But the 20% of people in the 3 to 5%, that's where you can start making some really quick closes, right? The rest of people, you want to be able to have your marketing out there so that they can become aware eventually of your brand, and then move to the 20% stage and then the 3 to 5% stage, right? So I hope this is making sense. The first thing is just understanding timing. Like people who run an advertising campaign for 1 month, I don't understand like where you think that this timing is going to come in, because then you're doing 1 month, 3 to 5%. You're trying to get someone who is ready to go right now. It's going to be expensive. You need to have your mindset right and be able to target those 20% and have the long-term vision to know, okay, I'm going to be marketing, 6 months out to be able to eventually close this person that came to us initially. And so that's why your follow-up needs to be really, really good. Okay, so the second tip that I'm going to go into, the second secret when it comes to lead generation, is having the right message and offer. And this ties in with timing, right? So let me ask you something. Let's say that your marketing message says, hey, if you're looking to get your kitchen renovated in the next month or so, then contact us. Well, then that is going to attract someone who's maybe in the 3 to 5%, right? Like you're saying in your messaging, hey, are you looking to get this done? Whereas if you write in your messaging, you say something like, if you're thinking about doing a kitchen remodel in the near future, then that's going to attract someone who's in that 20% range, right? It's going to attract people who are looking for maybe more education. And so you're going to have a higher volume of leads if you're doing that, right? And so having the right message that's going to be able to attract someone within these different timings of lead generation, that's going to make a difference, right? And so it's really important to understand the messaging and the words that you're saying, because if you just say in yours, hey, if you're looking to get this done, like you're looking to get this complete, then your message is only targeting 3 to 5% of people. Where if you open up the message and you say something like, hey, if you're interested in getting your kitchen remodeled or whatever, then you're going to start attracting more people, a greater pool of people who aren't necessarily ready to move forward right now, but they're looking to move forward in maybe the next 3 or so months, right? And so the last aspect too of the messaging there that I also want to mention is just having the right offer too. So what a lot of people don't understand is that every lead generation campaign needs to have an offer. What do I mean by offer? A lot of people will think that I'm talking about just some kind of price related offer, right? Like doing 10% off or 15% off and discounting services. That is not necessarily always what an offer is, and I don't recommend that. What an offer could be is doing something like an extended warranty. You guys may hear me talk about this a lot. An offer could also be doing some kind of value-based offer. And so when you do a value-based offer or some kind of offer that focuses on quality and reliability, you're going to tend to attract someone who's a better qualified lead, especially if you're considering the timing of the lead generation campaign as well. And so that's how you can control the type of people maybe who are reaching out to you and looking to get services done, right? Now, the last aspect is probably one that most people forget about. They'll get this concept right, the timing, they'll get the message and offer right, but the last aspect is to make sure that you're literally everywhere, right? And so what I mean by this is omnipresence. Because let's say that let's say that we're considering timing here, right? Well, some people are going to be looking at your marketing and advertising. Maybe someone like yourself watching this right here. I've been doing these videos for more than a year. And so maybe you've seen me in these videos, you're aware of the work that we do, right? But maybe the timing isn't necessarily right for you to do some advertising or marketing. Then you're going to watch this video and over and over again, over time, seeing me teach you this stuff. Eventually, hopefully, when you are looking for someone to do it, then you'll reach out. And it's the same exact thing for you. It's like you want to be everywhere for your prospect. And so they're seeing you on Facebook, right? You guys are posting pictures of your work, posting the type of work that you do. Maybe they see you somewhere in your local area. Maybe you donate to like a charity or something like that, and you have like a little bit of PR through there. Or maybe just in your community overall, in Facebook groups, you're an active member of your community. Maybe they see that you're on like, I don't know, a bus stop or something. You have a bus stop ad. Maybe they see you on Google Maps, right? And so they're seeing you everywhere. It's really important that you're being seen everywhere. You've got the exposure, right? Because when you're seen everywhere, coupled with the right message and offer and the timing is right, then that's when you're going to get people reaching out to you. So visibility is really important, but a lot of people want visibility alone, and that's not the answer. You need to have the right message and offer as well on your visibility so that people actually, you're attracting the right types of people, right? Because visibility alone is just going to get you crap leads. You need more than just visibility to be able to attract the right types of leads into your business. So I hope you found this video helpful. I haven't talked about the timing aspect before, and so I hope maybe that was a bit of an aha moment for you. If you have questions about this, you can comment below. I'd love to be able to answer any of your questions. And if you found this video helpful and you want me to do more videos like this, leave a thumbs up. I would appreciate your feedback. I'm always looking to help you guys out, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.